All right, this is page 48 in your workbook. I'm not going to walk you all the way through it, but I will show you tomorrow. In fact, every one of you, will you send me a picture on the text? You can ask your mom to do it once you've filled out this page so I can look at it and see what you did. This is a chart for you to fill out, and it follows a pattern very carefully and very predictably, so you won't have a trouble with it. You'll just have to think about it just a little bit. Now, you have encountered all the verb forms now, and now we're going to start with some complete conjugations of the verbs in all the persons. Conjugation means we take the verb and we put it in a chart so that you can see how different people would use the verb. Like, let's think of a verb. I sing, you sing, he sings, or she sings, or it sings. Then it's we sing and you all sing and they sing. It doesn't change much in English for most verbs. Maybe if we say I have, you have, he or she or it has, we have, you all have, nope, they have. It doesn't change much in English, but guess what? If it's in German, or if it's in French, or if it's in Russian, or Spanish, or Latin, the verb endings change all the time, and people get very used to it. It's as easy as it is for grown-ups as it is for babies. No one has a trouble with it. It's just a little different than what we have in English. So we're going to start learning about conjugations, these verb families, and the way they move through the chart. So we have first person, which means I. Second person means you. And the third person means he, she, or it. When we're in the plural, the first person is we. I'm a part of we, right? And then the second person is like you, but this is just one you over here. And this is you all, pointing to somebody else, but not myself. And then if you're talking to other people, it's they. Over here, he, she, or it, but only one, and this is many. So we'll start together because we've learned this a little bit, right? Habes, if you're going to figure it out, we can look back here because it's like this verb. Here's the first person plural, habemus, and here's the first person singular, habeo. So I'm turning my page over here and I'm going to put that habeo here. Habeo. Habes. And then for the third person singular, let's go back and remember, well, we could look here. Look at what happens. Ambulat, tenet, est. The third person always seems to end in a T. So we're going to take habe, H-A-B-E, and then in the third person singular, which means he or she or it has. So we're going to write ha, can you guess? Ha-bet. Habet. There, we've got it. In fact, I kind of like to do it this way. Well, no, let's just go on here. Okay, do you remember habeo, what it is for the plural? You can go back and look, but here's a clue right here. Let's not even go back and look. I think you could figure it. Habetis, habet, habe. Let's write it in. Habemus. Okay. Habeo, habes, habet, habemus, habetis, habent. Oh, I like that. Ent. E-N-T, U-N-T. All right. You can guess what might be here. Ambulat. I'm just going to see how it says here. Try to figure out the verb endings and complete the chart. You can look back at some of your some of the things that you've seen in the other ones, but I will give you one right here. I'll just remind you where to find this. It's something es est, estis sunt. And we use that word when we say lati. I'll give you one. I'll give you the one for the first person singular. It's actually this. Sum. But you're going to have to figure out the plural. Sum. Right? Here we had it. Ecus latus est, et egu latus or leta sum. All right, that gives you a clue where to find the plural first person. Okay, have fun with figuring that out and send me pictures.